So because of our distance learning and e-learning for what's happening in the world right now, I'm going to teach you how to upload your PowerPoint presentation in YouTube. So first, these are our materials and our steps for today. You need your PowerPoint presentation. You should be finished, or this PowerPoint presentation should be completed before recording. We need to record your lesson using a screen recorder. I'm going to use today Bandicam. And number 3, you're going to need your YouTube account, so you're going to upload your video. And finally, I'm going to share and I'm going to teach you how to share the link, and we're going to use Class Dojo. So without further ado, let's start. So first, PowerPoint presentation. Now I'm going to open up my PowerPoint presentation, and it's all complete. So this is my PowerPoint presentation. Everything here is complete. So I made sure that I tested this PowerPoint like twice. So I check all the dates, the materials, everything in the PowerPoint. If you want to know more how to add the hyperlink, how to add links and videos in your PowerPoint, please check the description below and then watch another tutorial I made for you. So this is my PowerPoint presentation, and I'm done with it. Now I will show it to you. So this is the PowerPoint presentation, and I'm going to discuss this during the screen recording time. So I will open up the screen recorder, and then I will record myself explaining and doing the lesson with the PowerPoint. So I will be discussing lesson 10, telling the students the materials, the dates, and the things that they will do at home. So they're going to watch the video, the download activity in the Class Dojo, and open Socrative for their evaluation and task or assignments. And that's it. So this will be the thing. So everything is complete here. I check every detail and every instruction. So everything is here. So done. So make sure that you are done and you practiced using your PowerPoint before recording. So if you are done with the PowerPoint, we're going to record. So that's the PowerPoint. We're going to record the PowerPoint now. So record your lesson using Bandicam. So that's the second lesson. So I have an app here which going to record the whole screen and your voice while you're discussing the PowerPoint. So it's called Bandicam. You can download this Bandicam in Google or any browser. And if you want to have a quick knowledge about Bandicam, check the description below. Watch a YouTube tutorial I made for Bandicam. So let's open it. So this is Bandicam. Make sure that your microphone is on and your cursor or your mouse is on. And now we're going to drag this picture. Click the button below, and you're going to select a recording area. We're going to draw from the top. Click and drag, going below. That's it. So that's the recording part, and you can play the record part here. So this, you're going to record the button. Let's do that again. Select a recording area, click at the top here to here, and you can see the button here, record. Okay, so make sure that you can see the word record button or the icon here at the top. So everything inside the box will be recorded, everything outside in the box will not be recorded. So let's minimize this. Let's go back to the PowerPoint, and now we're going to click on slideshow, go back to the first page, and now you can record. So click the record button, and now you can see the red lines. It means that your video right now is being recorded. So it's being recorded, and then you can play. You will be explaining everything. So lesson 10, Cougars, your materials for today. So everything. You record this video, explain everything in detail in your PowerPoint, everything is recorded in the video. So this PowerPoint will be converted into an MP4 into a video. So PowerPoint to a video with all your voice, with all the details, everything. It will be recorded. So that's it. So imagine that you discuss everything in your PowerPoint presentation, and if you're done, you're going to click this button, stop, and you're done. And then close this program. That's it. You can see here in the home area the video that we just finished here. It's today. This one. It's recorded here. Now let's check if this is it. So let's escape the video. The PowerPoint. Go back here and let's play this video here. 324.9 this one. You can play it to check. And now you can see the red lines. It means that your video right now is being recorded. So that's the product for the video. So that's the PowerPoint, and it became an MP4, as you can see here. MP4 means it became a video with my voice in it. So if you're going to discuss your PowerPoint, your voice will be in it. Everything that you will do in the PowerPoint will be recorded using the screen. So this is your video right now, and it's located in your documents folder. So you're going to go with your document folder here, and my Bandicam is here. So documents, click documents, Bandicam is here, and you can see the latest. This is the video. We can rename it. So let's say this is your lesson number 10, and you want to upload this lesson. So this is lesson number 10. It's located in documents, and I renamed it lesson 10. So that you need to rename it. It's so important to rename it so that you will not forget while you're uploading. So PowerPoint is done. It is converted to MP4 and using the Bandicam. And now the next step will be you need to open your YouTube account. If you have a YouTube account, it's okay. You will be uploading the video. If you don't have, I will show you the steps. So here, this is a video. This is YouTube, open YouTube channel. As you can see here, I am not yet signed in. So I'm going to make a YouTube channel. So open YouTube, click YouTube, or type www.youtube.com here, and it will open. So I'm not yet signed in, so I'm going to sign in. So sign in with your Google account. It should be a Google account since YouTube is owned by Google company. So I'm going to use this. Next, with your password. So sign in. So there, I am signed in. I'm using this, so it's easy. Got it? Now, if you want to upload your video, your PowerPoint video, you're going to here in the right hand corner at the top, you can see this video with a plus button on it. Click this, and you're going to click upload video. Click upload video. Get started. Select this one. So you make your own channel whatsoever, and you can set up later, but you can answer this everything. Upload a picture if you want to upload a picture. Tell your viewers about the channel. This is for e-learning. Okay, type it, save and continue. Just follow the instructions given by the YouTube management, and now you can upload a video here. So here, create a post, upload video, and you will have this. Got it? This will be the uploading a file or button. So select a file. We're going to select lesson 10, the one that we recorded today. Select. Again, it's in documents. It's in Bandicam folder here. So documents, Bandicam folder. And we rename it lesson 10. I'm going to select lesson 10. Going to open it. And you're going to wait at least 1 or 2 minutes. So that's it. Lesson 10. You explain this video contains lesson 10 vocabulary sample. Yes, it's made for kids. Next. Leave this number 2. Go to next. Public. You can schedule it. For example, if this video you want it to be live or public on, let's say, on next Sunday by 12 a.m. it will be public in our time zone. So you can schedule it. If you want to do it now, unclick this one. So save or publish. So you have two options: save or publish now, or you can schedule it for later. So let's publish it now. Publish. Close it and wait for like 10 seconds. Sometimes it's up to 2 minutes, but it's very fast. So it's here. Your video is uploaded. It's here right now. You can watch it on your own. So here you can watch it. And now you can see the red lines. It means that your video right now is being recorded. So this is the video that we just made. Now if your next lesson is you're going to share this link in Class Dojo or any sharing sites for parents, students, and teachers, maybe WhatsApp. So you want to share this in WhatsApp, into your email, everything. You want to share this video, you're going to right click the video, copy URL. So again, right click, copy URL, or you can go to the share button. So right click, copy URL. Alright, and then you go to Class Dojo. I'm going to share this link to Class Dojo. Open your Class Dojo account for teachers, and I have an e-learning sample here. And I'll go to Class Story. Then I'm going to paste dear parents, kindly please watch with your kids the video here, and then paste, Control V. So remember, you put Control plus V to paste it. Okay, or you can right click and then look for the word paste, and then you pause it. It's here. So the parents will just click this button in their phone or their laptop, and they can go directly to the video. And now you can see the red lines. So that's it for the lesson for today. So make your PowerPoint, transfer it to MP4 using a Bandicam or any screen recorder. Open your YouTube account using your Google account. Upload the video. It's so easy. And share the link to Class Dojo to WhatsApp or any email. So that's it for lesson for today. Thank you and goodbye.